COBB Accessport. Let's see how this goes. I couldn't wait. I had to open this thing. So, got the COBB Accessport. Got a hell of a good deal with this thing. So we're gonna get it installed today, guys. So this is pretty much what it came with. We have the Accessport. We also have the cable that connects to the car. Also the mount, a few skins there, and of course the guide. Okay, so where does it look pretty? There, there, there. So I decided to put it here. I believe it looks okay, like while driving. So then, basically connect it into the computer, which is down there, and you should put the key into that precision. Go ahead and go to stage 191. And of course, that's for that little alert. And then we're saving basically the factory ECU data, just in case you want to go back to the stock map. It's a pretty nice looking accessory here for the car. It says, please turn and leave the ignition in the off position to begin vehicle reinitialization. So you just press continue, and then we have to turn it off for about 15 seconds, just like it says there. It's pretty easy. Install is going super easy. We'll go to the gauges there. Finally installed. Oh shit. I finally installed the COBB Accessport. So basically with the stock map, stock tune, it runs good. I mean, the stock tune, if you're a Subaru WRX owner, you should already know. Oh my god. You should already know how it drives, how it feels. It's not too fast. I mean it's pretty fast to be a 4-cylinder turbo car, 268 horsepower. So I mean it's not too bad. But with this tune, the COBB Stage 91 tune, because here in El Paso we don't have 93 octane. I'm not sure why. With this tune, it opens up the engine a lot more, like a lot more. I'm also set up for, it's called Border Classic. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it's going to be another huge car show here in El Paso. Pretty much they're almost sold out. So I will be showing everything just like I did with the last car show video that I had there. So please stay tuned for that. I'll probably have this video up by tonight, hopefully. I do work, so hopefully I do have it up tonight. Basically, to go to the setup of the launch control, you basically have to go all the way out and then set up, no, that's not it. It's on tune, and then you go to adjustments, and then you can even set up the adjust idle RPMs, the flat foot shift, and of course launch control, which already set up. It's basically set up at 4,000 RPMs. So when you basically press the clutch, the other thing that I was going to show you guys, you already know what's gonna happen. Another video is gonna come up for the Mishimoto intake. I'll go ahead and give you guys a few more pulls there so you can see how it feels, or how it looks at least, and sounds. I'll lower the windows so you guys can hear. So I'll give you that footage for right now. Alright guys, so as you can see, it pulls pretty freaking fast. It's just a tune, like one simple machine little accessory that makes your car go faster. And a lot of things are happening now, so thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't roast me in the comment section with my pulls. I mean, like I said, I'm not an expert at driving yet. I mean, I give it my best, but please don't roast me too hard. But thank you very much for watching this video, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, peace out.